the Middle East, fighting continues despite a two-week ceasefire declared by Iran and the United States. Despite this,
Oil industry sources are seeing a drop in Philippine pump prices next week.
but the rollback will be barely felt, as Mobile Journal Arles de los Santos tells us in this report.
All vessels in Persian Gulf at Oman Sea. This is Iranian Sevan Navy Station. Transiting in Strait of Hormuz is closed yet, and you need to receive permission from Iranian Sevan Navy for passing through the strait. Any vessel trying to transit in through the strait without our permission will be targeted and destroyed.
Ships receive this radio message every time they pass through the Strait of Hormuz. Any vessel that refuses to yield will be targeted by the Iranian Navy. Recent photos from Filipino seafarers in the area show missiles flying all over the Gulf. That's amid an announcement of a ceasefire to pave the way for negotiations.
Medyo nakakatakot kasi kahapon meron ng pronouncement, yesterday may pronouncement na about ceasefire. Pero in reality, on the ground, iba yung nangyayari doon. Meron pa ring mga missiles, especially sa Lebanon, sa Kuwait, sa UAE, na naglalabasan pa rin at nagliliparan, which is right now, it's a risk really for seafarers.
And then there's the sustained attacks of Israel on Lebanon. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu insists Hezbollah is not covered by the truce with Tehran. The United States agrees.
I think the Iranians thought that the ceasefire included Lebanon, and it just didn't. We never made that promise. We never indicated that was going to be the case.
What looks like a faltering ceasefire caused spikes in crude prices at the world market. Nevertheless, the few days before that saw tempering, which could actually trigger a rollback at the Philippine pump. Projections point to next week's diesel prices going down by between 2 pesos and 50 centavos and 3 pesos and 50 centavos per liter, while gasoline could be a peso cheaper. But for transport groups, this is just a drop in the bucket, considering the punishing oil price hikes over the last 5 weeks. But they will still take whatever reprieve comes at this point.
Pangloloko na naman ito sa mga tsuper, sa taong bayan, na ang laki nung ibinaba sa world market. Nagbaba na sir ito. So dapat, dati kapag ka may forecast na may gulo, yung pangalawang araw pa lang nagtataas na sila ng presyo. Pero ngayon nagsabi na bumaba, ayaw naman nilang magbaba. Yung pagbaba na yan sir, parang parang masama pa yung loob ng mga oil companies.
Well, yung magiging rollback sa isang linggo ay malaking bagay na yan, 3 pesos and 50 centavos. So bali, ang itinatanong ko lang sa DOE, bakit pagkapataas, mabilis silang magtaas na may mga buffer stock nang dapat ubusin na good for 2 months? Ito ngayon, bumaba na sa world market, $103 per barrel. Kaya na, sasabihin nila, binili nung mataas ang crudo, kanya mataas pa rin ang kanilang pagbebenta. Kanya manipis ang rollback.
Kapatid Arles de los Santos, we are One News.